As you guys wait for the tornado sirens, here's something crazy. The crossings on Center Street are malfunctioning, as you guys can hear. If someone knows the dot number of Center Street in South 4th, comment down below. And make sure someone can call that in. So, sirens are going to go off here in a few minutes. We're going to be standing somewhere like right over here or so. This is somewhere different. I've never standed here. I never was standing before, but here we are. It's 3:56. Sirens are gonna go off here in about like 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 4 minutes more than likely. It's 3:57 in 3 minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes. But you still can hear that crossing going off. Sorry, all the cars are annoying, but here, listen. I'm betting these ones will go off next. I'm just betting the ones that I am right next to are gonna be going off next. So hopefully someone can call that in before it gets too bad. Terrible, technically. And thunderstorm cloud. That was supposed to hit Salina today, but they kind of changed it and took the storm system out of Salina. It's still in Salina County, but it's technically just, yeah. So I'm gonna put this as, hopefully, I am gonna probably put this as like Salina, Kansas tornado siren test of the 2001-130 tornado sirens / railroad crossing on Prescott, but railroad crossings on Center Street and South 4th malfunction, as y'all can hear. 2 minutes left, guys. So here we go. Hopefully I can signals here. Not signals, but tornado siren sound. So I'll shut up for the rest of the video. Okay, guys, I don't think you guys heard the sirens, but you definitely heard the crossings. But if you guys did, hopefully you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all tomorrow for Union Pacific 1461.